three little birds. The three little birds. The three little birds. Eternal authenticity, Sky Blackwell. Out here with the three little birds. I'm out here with the three little birds. Eternal authenticity, Sky Blackwell. Now they fly it away. Much love, yeah. God is good. God is good. Much love. Eternal authenticity, Sky Blackwell. You know what I'm saying? I'm just out here getting some good sunshine, you know, so yeah. Y'all have a great day. Happy Friday, or happy whatever day you watch this video. You know, enjoy the sunshine, enjoy approaching springtime, warmer weather, you know, stay out, stay active, stay fresh, stay healthy, you know, and be out in nature. Much love. It's Eternal Authenticity, broadcasting live.